Hey everyone, welcome back to the garage. A little bad news actually in this garage. I'm 90% sure I killed the Berlinetta. Um, she won't start. I guess I can aim for having y'all hear what she sounds like right now. But not 100% sure on what's wrong with her right now. But get the key in. Oh, go ahead into the big. And sit for a quiet moment. I don't know if you're gonna hear that, but it sounds like something's rattling or scraping against itself. And I've tried just about everything that I could find on the internet, and really nothing truly works. Yeah, but so far what I found is when I crank it, this whole belt moves. But if you heard the grinding, what I could see was this fan right here. I'm probably get a good angle. Fan blade was just turning and stopping, turning, stopping, turning, stopping. There's nothing really that should be stopping it. And I'm not 100% sure. I'm probably just going to take it to the mechanic and see if they can fix it, because I have no clue on what's going wrong right now. There's no missing pieces. I think there might be some sort of wiring issue, because I found yesterday back here there's just some wires that are just hanging out. I don't really look like they're supposed to be hanging out. I mean, this one just looks like it's burned off. So yeah, there's just a little issue here. 9%. I've tried the choke, I've tried everything. Honestly, I have no clue what I'm doing at this point. But yeah, that's just my my little update on my piece of shit car.